All right, folks. Let's talk about why Dell Boomi Certification is a game changer. It's not just a fancy title. It's proof you know your integration magic. A Boomi expert is highly sought after. So getting certified is like leveling up in your career. You'll need to grasp the tools and tricks of the trade, from APIs to data flows. So buckle up. We're diving deep into what it takes to ace this certification. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Let's break down the certification journey. You start as an associate and work your way up. Think of it as leveling up in a video game. The exams aren't just theory. They're packed with hands-on challenges that test real-world skills. Studying with official guides and training courses is the best way to crack it. So, ready to take this head-on? Let's gear up for success. Retries, our safety net in integration. Ever had a message stuck due to a temporary glitch? That's where retries save the day. They ensure data keeps flowing even when things go sideways, but overdoing it can cause system overload. Dell Boomi gives us smart retry options, so let's learn how to use them wisely. Like knowing when to knock on a door again versus realizing it's permanently shut. Let's face it, retry questions can feel like a mystery, but they don't have to be. By reviewing past exams, we uncover common mistakes and understand why certain answers were incorrect. Spotting trends in these questions helps us anticipate challenges and prepare smarter, not harder. Think of feedback as a cheat sheet. It's packed with insights to refine our approach. So, let's turn our past errors into stepping stones for success. Ever feel like retry questions are testing your patience more than your knowledge? That's where great resources come in. Study guides and practice tests are your best friends. Online forums offer expert insights and sometimes a dose of reassurance. Mock exams give you a real-time feel for pressure and spaced repetition. That's science-backed magic for memory retention. So, arm yourself with the right tools, and let's turn retries into victories. Think of retry mechanisms as the safety nets of integration. They catch failed transactions and ensure consistency. Without them, error handling would be a full-time job. Automated retries boost system performance, helping processes run smoothly. Plus, they keep workflows efficient, reducing unnecessary manual interventions. In short, a good retry mechanism doesn't just fix problems, it prevents them, kind of like an umbrella on a rainy day. Retry mechanisms, the misunderstood heroes of integration. Contrary to popular belief, retries aren't always the answer. Overdoing them can create bottlenecks instead of fixes. Plus, not all failures magically resolve themselves. Knowing when and how to configure retries is key. So, let's bust these myths and ensure our retry strategies are actually helping, not hindering. Retry questions aren't here to haunt us. They're a chance to prove we've learned. First, break down the question to spot key clues. Then apply logic. Don't just guess blindly. Time management is crucial, so pace yourself. And elimination. That's your secret weapon for accuracy. With these strategies, we won't just answer, we'll conquer. Mistakes aren't failures. They're lessons in disguise. Spotting patterns in past errors helps us sidestep them in the future. Instead of dwelling on wrong choices, let's use them to sharpen our strategy. A systematic approach minimizes missteps and boosts confidence. So, let's embrace the process, because every mistake brings us closer to success. Certification exams can feel intense, but a solid prep strategy makes all the difference. A structured study plan keeps us on track. Mock exams, they're our best bet for building real-time resilience. Learning from mentors adds valuable insights and confidence. That's half the battle won. Let's step into the exam prepared, focused, and ready to ace it. Mastering retry questions isn't just about memorization. It's about understanding the logic behind them. With smart preparation, We cut down on unnecessary retries. Time management keeps us sharp during exams, and learning never stops. It's what keeps us ahead. So, let's take what we've learned and conquer retry questions like pros. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.